today we're revealing 4 juices that can help restore your vision and memory while you sleep. The science is clear. Certain nutrients, especially when consumed before bed, support your body's natural overnight repair cycles. This is crucial for seniors aiming to maintain sharp vision and memory as they age. Your eyes and brain need a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function and repair. Think of these nutrients as premium fuel for your body's most vital systems. Without them, performance declines, so nutrition is your best tool for long-term health. We'll break down 4 delicious juices packed with ingredients like beta-carotene, anthocyanins, and lutein, and explain how they protect your eyes and brain. You'll learn exactly how these juices support overnight repair, not just general health. Grab a notepad. Let's dive into these powerful recipes for a sharper mind and clearer sight. Ready? Let's get started. First up, the classic carrot juice. This vibrant orange drink isn't just a breakfast staple, it's a nutritional powerhouse that's been celebrated for generations. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for good vision and overall eye health. Vitamin A is a key part of rhodopsin, the protein in your retina that lets you see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes can't function at their best. If you're low on vitamin A, you risk night blindness and poor adaptation to darkness. Everyday tasks like driving at night or reading in dim light can become much harder. Carrot juice also keeps your cornea, the eye's outer surface, healthy and lubricated, helping to prevent dryness and irritation. Plus, carrots are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These nutrients work together to support not just your eyes, but your whole body. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting your eyes and brain from oxidative stress, which can lead to macular degeneration and cataracts. Over time, this protection can help preserve your vision as you age. By drinking carrot juice, you're giving your body the tools to slow down age-related vision loss and keep your eyes feeling refreshed. But the benefits go beyond your eyes. Carrot juice supports your brain too. The brain is highly vulnerable to oxidative stress, and the antioxidants in carrots help protect your neurons from damage, keeping your mind sharp. This means better memory recall, improved focus, and even faster processing speed. Benefits that become more important as we age. Think of antioxidants as maintenance workers, constantly repairing and protecting your brain's wiring so everything runs smoothly. Some studies even show that long-term beta-carotene intake can improve memory in older adults, helping to keep your mind agile and resilient. Carrot juice is simple to make, just fresh carrots and a juicer. You can even add a touch of ginger or apple for extra flavor and nutrients. It's a concentrated, easily absorbed source of nutrients, especially effective when consumed before bed, as your body prepares for overnight repair. At night, your body is primed for repair, and these nutrients get to work restoring your eyes and brain, helping you wake up feeling refreshed. Don't expect superhuman vision overnight, but do expect to support your body's natural repair cycle and feel the difference over time. Each night, these nutrients help combat daily wear and tear, building resilience for the future and supporting your long-term health. A glass of carrot juice before bed is more than a drink. It's a strategic step for long-term vision and memory, and a simple act of self-care. Make it a habit, and you'll notice the difference over time. Consistency is key to unlocking the full benefits. Simple, powerful, and accessible. Carrot juice is a must for your nightly routine, and it's easy to fit into any lifestyle. Try it for a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised by the boost in your energy and clarity. Your eyes and brain will thank you, both now and in the years to come. Next, let's talk about a juice that's a true brain booster, one that takes your nightly routine to the next level. Ready for the next powerhouse? Let's go. Transition to next scene. Next up, blueberry juice, the ultimate brain booster, and a delicious way to support your mind every single day. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. These unique compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation that can build up over time. Think of anthocyanins as your brain's cleanup crew, working behind the scenes to neutralize cellular damage that leads to memory loss and cognitive decline as we age. Multiple studies show that regular blueberry consumption can improve memory, learning, and even processing speed in older adults, making daily tasks feel easier and more enjoyable. Anthocyanins also boost neurogenesis, helping your brain create new cells, and enhance synaptic plasticity, which means your brain becomes better at forming and retrieving memories, and adapting to new information. Imagine your memory as a vast library. Blueberries help repair, organize, and even expand it, so you can access information faster and more efficiently. Blueberry juice isn't just for your brain, it also benefits your eyes by protecting delicate retinal blood vessels, and improving blood flow, which reduces the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as you get older. Some research even suggests anthocyanins can help regenerate rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for seeing in low light, so you may notice better night vision after regular blueberry intake. The anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries help fight chronic inflammation, which is a major factor in age-related cognitive decline and many other health issues. Drinking blueberry juice in the evening supports your brain's nightly cleanup and memory consolidation processes, setting you up for a sharper tomorrow. During deep sleep, your brain clears out waste. Blueberry compounds make this process more efficient, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and mentally clear. You're giving your brain's repair crew a supercharged boost overnight, helping your mind stay resilient and focused. A glass of pure, unsweetened blueberry juice is a delicious, natural way to protect your mind and vision, without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. It's a simple, tasty strategy for staying sharp, energetic, and independent as you age. Try adding blueberry juice to your evening routine for a noticeable mental edge, and enjoy the benefits of better memory and focus. Ready for the next juice? Let's keep going and discover even more ways to boost your brain health. Transition to next scene. Our third juice, beetroot juice, a powerhouse for mental clarity. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, boosting circulation, especially to the brain. Better blood flow means your brain gets more oxygen and nutrients, supporting focus and memory. This is vital for seniors, as blood flow to the brain naturally decreases with age, impacting decision-making and cognitive speed. Studies show beetroot juice increases blood flow to the brain's frontal lobes, improving executive function and mental sharpness. People often report feeling more focused and clear-headed after adding beetroot juice to their routine. Your eyes benefit too. Improved circulation nourishes the retina and optic nerve, helping protect against glaucoma and other vision issues. Beets also contain betalains, unique antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation in both the brain and eyes. Drinking beetroot juice in the evening ensures your brain and eyes get a steady supply of nutrients during overnight repair. If the earthy flavor is too strong, mix beetroot with apple and ginger for a tastier blend. This juice is a direct way to address age-related changes in blood flow, keeping your mind and vision sharp. Add beetroot juice to your nightly routine for a noticeable boost in clarity and focus. It's a simple, science-backed strategy for long-term brain and eye health. Ready for our final juice? Let's finish strong. Transition to next scene. Inpudim dört Spuber by Srundanim. Our final juice brings together spinach and apple, a green powerhouse blend that delivers targeted support for both your eyes and your brain. This combination is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that work in harmony to protect your vision and boost cognitive health. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, the only carotenoids that accumulate in the retina's macula, protecting your central vision. These nutrients are essential for maintaining sharp eyesight, especially as we age. These compounds act as internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light from screens and sunlight. In today's digital world, where we're constantly exposed to screens, this protection is more important than ever. They're also potent antioxidants, fighting free radicals and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. By neutralizing oxidative stress, they help keep your eyes healthy and resilient. Drinking spinach juice helps build up your macular pigment, reinforcing your eye's natural shield and supporting long-term visual clarity. Apples add natural sweetness and a big dose of quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Quercetin helps calm inflammation in the brain and supports healthy blood flow. Apples are also rich in vitamin C, which protects the lens of your eye from oxidative damage and helps prevent cataracts. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the clarity and flexibility of your eye's lens. The combination of spinach and apple creates a synergistic effect. Spinach protects the retina, apple supports the lens and brain. Together, they deliver a full spectrum of nutrients for comprehensive eye and brain health. This juice is perfect for overnight repair, supplying your eyes and brain with the nutrients they need during sleep. As you rest, your body uses these nutrients to restore and rejuvenate vital tissues. Think of it as a specialized toolkit for your body's nightly maintenance crew, working behind the scenes to keep your vision sharp and your mind clear. The lutein and zeaxanthin reinforce your macular shield, while vitamin C polishes and protects the lens, ensuring both parts of your eye are well cared for. Quercetin and antioxidants reduce neuroinflammation, supporting memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. This means better mental clarity and sharper recall. Use fresh spinach and a sweet apple like Gala or Fuji. Add lemon for extra vitamin C and a bright zesty flavor. Lemon also helps balance the earthiness of spinach, making the juice even more enjoyable. It's a vibrant, refreshing drink with a clear purpose, long-term vision and brain protection, all in a single glass. Make this juice part of your evening routine to help preserve sharp vision and memory as you age. Consistency is key for lasting benefits. 4 juices, 4 powerful ways to support your health, each one designed to nourish your body and mind. Let's wrap up. Transition to final scene. There you have it, 4 powerful juices to boost your vision and memory. Consistency is key. Add one of these juices to your nightly routine for the best results. Always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Share this with friends or family who could benefit. Thanks for joining me today. Here's to a sharper mind and clearer vision. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.